Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today we'll be cooking the famous Sichuan dish, twice cooked pork. The reason the dish is called twice cooked pork is because the pork is being cooked twice. First time by boiling, then sliced, and then stir-fried as the second time. Traditionally, the cut of meat would be the back leg of the pig, which is half fat and half lean. But since it's hard to find that kind of cut in most supermarkets, it's easier to use pork belly for that. And in this case, try to pick the pork belly with more fat in it. Other key ingredients for this dish include leeks, scallion, hot pepper, ginger, and of course, Sichuan hot bean paste and Sichuan peppercorn. You may also add the black fermented beans. Unfortunately, I don't have it at this moment. We're going to cook the meat by boiling them first. Use cold water to boil the pork. Add a few slices of ginger, scallion, peppercorn, and some cooking wine. Boil on high heat for 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the thickness of the pork, till the pork is fully cooked. Once the meat are fully cooked, turn off the heat, take the meat out, and put it into refrigerator to help it cool down before slicing them. While the meat is cooling, we're going to cut a few slices of ginger. Then cut 2 hot peppers into diamond-shaped small pieces. Then we're going to cut up 2 to 3 medium-sized leeks. First, cut off the green part and slice it with 45-degree angle into diamond pieces. For the white part, split it open and then do the same kind of cut. Be sure to rinse the cut up leeks clean, as there are sands stuck in between the leaves. Once cleaned, drain the water. Once the meat is cooled down to room temperature, it will be firm enough to slice. Use a sharp knife to slice it to about 1 millimeter thickness. Now, to cook the dish, we're going to heat up the wok first. Add about a tablespoon of oil. Then we're going to turn the heat down to medium-low. Add the ginger slices first. Then add the pork slices. The reason we want to keep the heat to medium-low is that we need to cook the pork slices for a few minutes till they are brown, and some of the fat are cooked out of the fatty part of the meat. Also, if the heat is too high, some of the liquid from the meat may explode in the hot oil, and that could be dangerous. This part of the cooking needs a little bit of time and patience to make sure all slices are browned evenly. Once the meat are browned, add 1 tablespoon of hot bean paste. Cook till everything turns red. Once the oil turns red, it's time to add hot pepper and the leeks. Stir fry everything for about 30 seconds. Since the spicy bean paste already have salt in it, you just need to add about half tablespoon of soy sauce. Then about 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavor. Then you can start the final stir frying. Once the hot pepper starts to turn soft, the cooking is done. I hope you learned how to cook this classic Sichuan dish and can enjoy it with your family and friends. If you like our recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.